Have you ever looked at your phone like it was judging you, like it was saying, go ahead, press the wrong button? I dare you. Listen, if that's you, welcome to the club. I felt the same way. But seniors, real folks our age, 55, 65, 75, even 80, are posting videos, growing channels, and earning extra money online. Not because they're tech geniuses, but because they've learned a few tiny skills. And today, I'll teach you all three. I didn't grow up with smartphones. I didn't have TikTok. We had rotary phones. And if you messed up dialing, you had to start over. One wrong turn of that wheel and you were doomed. So if technology feels overwhelming or intimidating, you're not alone. I know that feeling, the tightness in your chest when an app updates and everything looks different, the fear of pressing a button that makes the whole phone explode. But here's the truth. You're not too old. You're not behind. You're simply undertaught. No one ever showed us this stuff. But once you learn a few tiny skills, the whole world opens up. Confidence opens up. Creativity opens up. And yes, extra income opens up too. And here's something nobody talks about. The fastest growing age group on YouTube right now is not teenagers. It's not 20-somethings. It's us. People 55 and older are creating cooking videos, woodworking videos, crafting videos, garden tours, storytelling channels, travel diaries, and they're pulling in new friends, new energy, and new income. And you know what all of these seniors had in common when they started? Every single one of them said, I'm terrible with tech. And every single one of them learned anyway. Use your phone's voice memo to practice talking. Camera casual. Let's start simple. Before you ever hit a record, before you ever show your face on camera, I want you to open up the voice memo app on your phone. This is your warm-up gym. No pressure, no audience, no video, just your voice. And here's what you do. Hit record, talk for 30 seconds, stop, then listen back. I know, nobody likes hearing their own voice. The first time I listened to mine, I thought, good grief, I sound like a retired car salesman who swallowed a frog. But guess what? You get used to it. And more importantly, you get comfortable. This little exercise builds confidence, reduces fear, gets you used to speaking naturally, helps you find your rhythm, and makes filming a whole lot easier later. Start with simple topics. One lesson I learned this week. One thing people my age should know. One mistake I made today and what it taught me. Do that once a day or 3 times a week, and after a few weeks, speaking on camera feels normal. Not scary, not awkward, not intimidating, just you, talking to a friend. Download CapCut. Learn one edit at a time. All right, now let's talk about editing. Deep breath. You're going to be okay. We are not building the next Star Wars here. CapCut is a free little app, easy to use, made for beginners. And here's the key. Don't learn everything at once. Learn one button per week. Week 1, learn to trim the beginning and end of your video. That's it. You'll feel like a champion. Week 2, add text on the screen, maybe your name or a title. Week 3, learn how to add music under your voice. Nothing fancy, just gentle background. And here's the magic part. Every skill you learn builds confidence, and every bit of confidence makes the next skill easier. People our age don't need fancy editing. We need clarity. We need simplicity. We need a tool that lets our story shine, not the software. CapCut is perfect for that. And when in doubt, press undo. That button has saved my hide more than once. 3, reuse one video across Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This one's my favorite because it's where seniors get smart. You don't need to make a new video for every platform. That's how you burn out. Record one 30 to 60 second video, then upload it to YouTube Shorts. Upload the very same video to Facebook Reels. Upload the very same video to TikTok. Boom! 3 platforms, 3 audiences, triple the reach from one piece of work. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need your video to be everywhere. Let the platforms do the heavy lifting. Your job is to show up, be real, and post consistently. See how simple this is? You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need 3 tiny skills. 1. Voice memo practice builds confidence. 2. 1 CapCut skill a week builds competence. 3. 1 video posted in 3 places builds momentum. That's Tech-Timid turning into Tech-Terrific. Now, here's the real truth. You don't need a master technology to make extra money online. You just need a simple system, a little support, and a clear goal. And that clear goal starts with something I call your freedom number, the exact monthly amount you need to feel peace, confidence, and breathing room in retirement. Whether that's for travel, bills, helping family, or just enjoying life again, your freedom number tells you where you're going. I created a free guide that walks you through a step-by-step. You can grab it at williamfeaver.com/CAIO. Start there, because once you know your number, everything else becomes possible. You're not too old. You're not too slow. You're not bad with tech. You're just getting started, and I'm right here with you. Let's go from tech timid to tech terrific together.